Viewed from the surface, all seems calm, almost idyllic. But what lies beneath could prove potentially fatal. Alongside the dirt, the detritus, the unperturbed snails, there's bacteria, invisible to the naked eye.
Yep, come on through there.
Sky News sent a scientist to take samples in the home of one Wraysbury resident forced to abandon his house because of the potential health risk. With a 5-year-old and an 18-month-old, there's no point in taking risks. The family hasn't been home since the 8th of January.
Hopefully once it's cleaned up and things, it'll get back to normal.
Yet, in the lab, little hope of that. The Petri dishes reveal just how contaminated the water is, a bacterial broth you wouldn't wish to sample. Bacteriologists say that drinking water should have no more than 1 bacterium per 100 millilitres of water. Swimming water should contain no more than 100 bacteria per 100 mils. By comparison, tests on Wraysbury floodwater reveal 100,000 bacteria per 100 millilitres of water.
We found lots of really dirty water here. This is highly contaminated. It's somewhere in between raw sewage and the dirtiest river you would ever imagine. And this is in people's homes, in their sitting rooms.
The bacteria that Dr. Newman has discovered in such high quantities can lead to conditions such as typhoid fever, dysentery, even hepatitis. But if a few simple precautions are taken, the danger can be avoided. The fact is, these bacteria are present in huge amounts in the water. It's only when they get inside your body that they become a problem. Washing hands, boiling water, avoiding contact altogether. Being conscious of the risks minimises the chances of infection. Yet whilst the floodwaters have receded and the clean-up proceeds, having seen the results of Sky's tests, the concern still lingers.
I think that is the biggest worry, that depending on how the cleaning process actually goes, that if something's overlooked, you don't know what impact that's going to have 2 months down the line. If your child did become poorly, there's no way of kind of proving it that, okay, it was because of this or it was because of that.
The damage wrought by the floods is plain to see and could extend to billions of pounds. Yet, what might be the human cost of the unseen bacteria that lie just beneath the surface? Neil Patterson, Sky News.